There was a force majeure situation. I cannot open the garage door. You see the key does not turn. It's cold outside. 20 degrees. Last time I filled in the brake fluid and it looks like it froze up and the lock jammed. We take brake fluid. I purchased .4. We also take a syringe with a needle. I bought a syringe with a volume of 20 cubic meters. Now pour oil into the hole of the lock, fill it from all sides. We try to turn the key. As a rule, it will not turn right away. You need to wait a day. A day has passed and we are trying to open the garage door. I inserted the key and turned it and the lock opened perfectly. As we can see the Soviet castle, the systems of the engineer Milentiev, the cheeks are rusty. And because of this, it jammed. Here it is necessary to change the lock, or to revise the old lock. If you change to a new one, it is difficult to find a lock of this size, so that we clean the lock and fill in paraffin oil. Conclusions: when the lock is jammed, pour in brake fluid, or WD-40, and in a day the lock will definitely open. Thank you all for your attention. Put likes and subscribe to the channel.